So what is Flare? Flare VM is basically a toolkit for malware analysis, and it has all the tools that are required, like all the debuggers and stuff. So to install Flare we actually need a copy of Windows, and I won't encourage you to crack Windows or anything, but there is a website called developers.microsoft.com where uh, in download sections you'll find stuff for developers, like free tools that Microsoft provides, and one of which is Microsoft's developer preview for their new operating system. So you can just head over to microsoft.developer.com/eu us Microsoft Edge tools and VM. Don't worry, I'll be adding the link in the resources and the file that I'm using, because as always people might face problems if they download different file and they might have problems. So we'll just select, you can select the operating system that you want. For now we'll just select Internet Explorer 10 and Windows 7. So this is the thing that we are downloading, the zip file for VirtualBox. So you have to select your platform as well, and now you have to go to VirtualBox, click on import and select the OVF file. So you have to extract the zip file and select the OVF file, click on next, and over here you can click on reinitialize Mac and then click on import. So this might take few minutes, and you will notice that a computer will start inside your main computer and virtualization process will start. So I'll just skip on to the part where the installation is complete. So after the installation is complete, you can see a virtual machine. You have to click on start and it will start your machine. So what is virtualization? As I told you, a computer will be created inside your computer, and as you can see we have a Windows system inside our actual host computer or Windows computer. So this is the benefit of using VirtualBox, and there are other virtualization platforms available. We have VMware and tons of different platforms, but usually I prefer VirtualBox because it is simple and smaller and is free. So this is the operating system, and as you can see we have all the drivers pre-installed, so we have everything set up. So first thing you need to do is install Flare. So to install Flare you have to go to a URL. I'll be adding the URL in the resources. You just have to use Internet Explorer. Don't use any other browser, don't use Chrome. You don't have to install anything. So if you are with me you will find this error. So it is telling us to install TLS SSL packages or protocols. So why is this problem coming? So this problem is basically coming because we have Internet Explorer 10 which supports a latest version of SSL, and this website might be having an older version. So what you have to do is go to internet options, and in security, in settings you have to search for security options, and in over here in security you have to search for TSL and SSL as it is telling us to do. So it's below over here. So as you can see you have to tick all the other options, use TSL, use SSL, and click on OK, apply, and then refresh the page. So I'll be adding the link to this page, and what you have to do is you have to click on this link over here. So I'll be adding both the links. You just have to go to the website, and once you go to the website you will notice that it is trying to launch an application. You have to click on run and it will automatically install Flare VM. So what actually is Flare VM? Flare VM contains tons of different things. You will get a desktop folder called Flare VM, and it will have tons of different tools available. So it's quite a small file, and after installing it will disable your firewall or automatic updates and stuff, and it will basically fix everything that is required. So just be patient, it will automatically install whatever things are required for the course. And don't worry, I'll be teaching everything in detail. For now you just have to be with me till the end of the course. Don't skip any lecture from now on, because all the lectures will be mostly practicals and quite important for malware analysis. So for people who are new to VirtualBox, don't worry. In the next video we'll be talking about snapshots and various settings that you need to see in order to use VirtualBox for malware analysis. So all the best, guys.